I've always dreamt of becoming a Lego designer. So this week I decided to see what it would take by becoming a freelance Lego designer on a website called Fiverr, with the goal of donating the money I earn on Fiverr to a charity that helps underprivileged kids to get Lego sets. So we need to go back like 2 weeks when I first started this project. Okay, so apparently I already have an account from like a year ago. I'm just gonna create a new gig that's like, I will professionally design you a Lego model. I don't know. All right, so now it's Tuesday and I got 2 orders at the beginning of the day. I basically just, sent it to my Instagram and YouTube and everyone, and I was like, hey guys, you can buy stuff, it'll be going to charity. JB Brick Fanatic says a robot that shaves his own mustache. What did I really expect? Okay, so now we need to build a robot that shaves its own mustache. Also, please ignore that this cat's just here. For the robot, let's just use 1 motor for the shaver. This is literally gonna be the weirdest thing ever. We'll start with 2 legs. How does that sound? What if we have like a fan blade on the front of him and the arm, it just kind of spins and like shaves off the mustache? I think that's a great idea. Look guys, it has legs. Oh gosh. That. So that's that. Now we just need to put like a giant fan on it and make it kind of like scary. Guys, how will this not shave your mustache? Okay, so after an hour and 15 minutes of work, we have our first robot. It's weird, I'm gonna be honest. But you can see if I pull this arm. So I'm gonna send this to him and see what he thinks. Okay, so it's 3 o'clock, which means my shop has been live for about 6 hours, and I already have 3 more orders. Cymox wants me to build a cyberpunk minifig scale car. Matt wants me to build a Sensei's divining top from a game or something. And then BrickBuilt wants me to build the Master Chief from Halo. All right, so we got a couple things to make. Let's do this. Let's start with the car. Cyberpunk. It's always important to get references. Cyberpunk car. Okay, so it is the end of day 2, technically day 1, since Monday I just kind of set up. I designed 3 things today. Really what I'm realizing is just it's a lot of work and I probably should have charged more than $5. But it's an experiment, you have to figure out if this is something I want to do for the rest. I don't want to do this for the rest of my life. But I made a robot and a car. I made this top right here. And that spins, so that's pretty sick. Just a spinning top this guy wanted. So that's pretty awesome. 3 things for day 1, $55. I'm gonna go to sleep now. Hey guys, it's me from the future. So this is kind of awkward, but I completely lost all the audio from day 3 and 4. So here I am as the awkward narrator who's going to talk over it. So yeah, guys, we're gonna build a Lego Halo minifigure from Halo Master Chief, Halo Reach or something. It's gonna be pretty sick. BrickBuilt ordered this from us, who I actually found out later was my friend. So that's another $5, and this is gonna be really sick. Let's do it. I have never built one of these before. And now I'm like listing off the reasons why. I don't know, this has been a hard challenge, okay? Kaboom, we got feet. That was really cringe. Here, we got some feet of the Guardian guy, what's he called? The Master Chief. So we have feet, now we need to build legs. Wow, look at that, guys. Now we have legs. Check that out. Those are actually, pretty good looking. You just throw them on there. And now we have half of a figure. So we're halfway done, and it has only been like 40 minutes-ish. This thing is fully detailed, and there's room to put a gun there, but I didn't design that. I'm so tired right now, you guys. The back looks pretty sick, too. Honestly, the shape of the legs came out really good. And on to the next thing. That is pretty sick. So I got another order for $5, which was actually a Lego guitar, and I didn't have the pieces to build it like in the right colors. So I went on the computer to a cool program called stud.io. You can download it free. And also I was really tired at this time because I'd just done 2 other builds and I was working on another video at the same time. Basically this whole video I was just super tired. But yeah, cut into that. Okay, so we know what we want, and we want, let's just type in slope, and there we go. And now let's just grab some bricks. Okay, I'm pretty proficient at this program. I think we have to rotate that, and so now we just need to make this good. Okay, so about an hour later, you can see we have this beautiful guitar, and I think it looks pretty awesome. You can see, you can zoom in here. I'm gonna actually go ahead and render this so that I can get a pretty good image of it. And then we'll just send this over and see how they like it. Here's a good picture of the render right here so you guys can actually see what I'm talking about, but you can see on the screen it's just gonna render it right now. All right, time for sleep, I guess. So I finished the guitar, I sent that off to my friend Kaylee, who would order it for $5. Before I had started this one, I had actually gotten an order from a real Lego designer. This guy used to work at Lego. His name's Tiago, and he has a YouTube channel, and it is super cool. Link down in the description if you want to check it out. I got an order from him, and he wanted me to build him a Lego house. And I've never built a Lego house like on brick science before, but I was just like, oh, okay. And then the craziest thing happened. I lost all of the audio. So here we go again. Hey guys, I'm gonna build a Lego house for Tiago. Guys, I don't know if he's gonna like this, but I really hope he does because it's gonna be insane, literally. So first we need to build 4 brick walls, and then we need to build a hinge piece for the top, and it's gonna be pretty sick. Let's do it. Please overlay the footage over that so it doesn't look stupid. Thank you. Okay, it is time to furnish our little apartment. We'll put this right here, like that. Now we have a TV, it's perfect. We'll put the bed right here in the corner. I don't know why I'm talking like this. Beautiful. Okay, I'm done with this accent. Then we'll put this right here. Little nightstand table thing. And then we'll put this on the wall like that, just to give it some, I don't know, treasure hunty feel, I guess. And last, but definitely not least, I forgot to build a chair, but this is like the shelf, and then we need a chair right there. As you can see here, if we pop the top off, I don't know why I'm still using that accent. Wow. You can see we have a bed, a nightstand, a sign on the wall, because he's a treasure hunter, obviously. Kind of went with color scheme of blue and tan, and then we have a gorgeous, comfortable couch. I would honestly sit on this any day of the week, wouldn't you guys? Nice. Good talk. And there is your house. Really, really simple. To put it back together, you just snap that on, and boom, you have a gorgeous, beautiful, amazing little house. So after I built the Lego house for Tiago, I sent it off to him, and it was just a couple days late. Just like 5-ish. A lot of these orders were late, and I'm so sorry, you guys. Anyway, I got a 4.7 star review. The only thing was, it was just delivered late. So Tiago, I'm really sorry. I hope you now see why that was so late. So I did 6 orders total throughout this whole challenge. I built this house, this car, a robot, a Halo figure, a top, and a guitar. So that's 6 orders. One of the orders was for $45, and then the other 5 orders were for $5 each. So that comes out to $75. I'm actually gonna donate $100 to the charity, and the charity I wanna donate to is called Creations for Charity. It's actually this really cool charity that allows creators like me to build stuff, and essentially I give these creations to them and they sell them to anyone. They could sell them to you. If you wanna buy one of these 3 creations, we have this sledgehammer, this car, and this house, you can purchase that from their site, and they actually use the profits from the things they sell to buy actual real Lego sets to give to underprivileged kids. I think it's really cool what they're doing, and I totally support it, so if you wanna support it too, link down in the description. This whole thing's an annual fundraiser, and it's running from October 15th to November 30th this year. If you guys purchase one of these things, you'll be directly supporting kids' creativity, and I think that's super cool. Thanks so much for watching. I'll talk to you in the next one.